Welcome back to our channel where we explore fun and educational topics. Today, we're diving into the world of 6th grade kids learning how to cook in school. Cooking is an essential life skill that can benefit children in various ways. Not only does it teach them about nutrition and healthy eating habits, but it also boosts their confidence in the kitchen. By introducing cooking at a young age, kids can develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for food. It can also encourage them to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Plus, cooking can be a great way for children to bond with their peers and work collaboratively on a shared task. Imagine a classroom buzzing with excitement as kids prepare their own meals from scratch. From chopping vegetables to measuring ingredients, they learn the importance of accuracy and precision. Through hands-on experience, kids can enhance their fine motor skills and dexterity. Cooking in school can also teach kids about the science behind food preparation and cooking techniques. They can explore how heat changes the texture and flavor of different ingredients. Moreover, it can spark a curiosity in kids to learn more about the origins of food and how it reaches their plates. Encouraging kids to cook can also help them develop a sense of responsibility and independence. Just picture the joy on a child's face when they see their dish come together beautifully. It's a fulfilling experience that can instill a sense of accomplishment and pride. Overall, integrating cooking into the school curriculum can empower kids to make healthier food choices and inspire a lifelong love for cooking. Let us know in the comments if you think cooking should be a part of every child's education.